In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out on LinkedIn. If you're finished using your account or you're on a shared or public computer, signing out is a smart way to protect your privacy and keep your information secure. The good news is that LinkedIn makes this very quick and easy to do. To begin, go to LinkedIn in your web browser. Once the site has loaded and you're on your LinkedIn page, take a moment to make sure everything is fully visible at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the account menu you need for the next step. Next, look toward the top right area of the LinkedIn interface and click on Me. This is the profile and account menu, and it usually appears with your profile picture or a small account icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will open with several account-related options. If you don't immediately see it, just make sure you are signed in and viewing the main LinkedIn layout. After the menu opens, look through the list of available options and click on Sign Out. As soon as you select it, LinkedIn will log you out of your account and return you to the sign-in page or the public version of the site. That confirms that the sign out was successful. If your goal is simply to leave your account securely, that's all you need to do. It's a simple process, but it's especially important if you're using a device that other people can access. Signing out helps prevent anyone else from opening your messages, profile details, or account settings. One helpful tip is to always double check that you've actually been signed out before closing the browser tab, especially on a shared computer. If you can still see your feed or profile without being asked to sign in again, the logout may not have gone through yet. In that case, just repeat the same process by opening the Me menu and selecting Sign Out again. And that's it. You've now learned how to sign out on LinkedIn quickly and safely. Once you know where the Me menu is, the process only takes a few seconds each time.